Let's hear from our judges. Starting with Anthony.
Yeah, I mean, you know, how I respond to these things is my pulse going a little faster. My pulse was not budging. It was just, you know, it was entirely plain, ordinary, dull, boring, forgettable.
Conroy.
It was not entirely plain, dull, boring, and forgettable. I don't know what's wrong with what Pinani. But no. You have the right attitude. You sound good, you look good. There are times when you're looking down on the ground, so you need to look up more at your audience and connect more with your audience. But I think it was a nice beginning for you.
Aline, what did you think?
I thought you were full of sass and boom and vim, and you have attitude, and even someone in the audience said, hey, she have attitude, fierce, and that was so nice. And you have a good sound. I could tell that you were a little nervous, and what I wanted, though, was a big moment. I wanted a let it burn, and so we could get excited and say, jeez. So that was what was missing from that, but it's definitely a good start, and there's room for growth, and you deserve to be here.
Thanks, judges. If Jada set this stage on fire, text the word vote to 444-5502 or call 444-5502. Thanks, Jada.